Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about insecticidal soap that you can make at home with just 2 ingredients. And it's a great way to get rid of aphids and mites and other damaging insects that can devour your plants. So I'm at the property here in Costa Rica, and I have a problem with some green mites on my cassava. And you can see it's got leaf gall. It's where the veins have bulged up, and that's from the mites. Now obviously an easy way to get rid of the problem is just to cut off the leaves and put them in a Ziploc bag and throw them in the trash. But if you don't want to go that route, try this spray and see how it works out for you. Alright, so we're going to make the concentrate first. So what you need is 1 cup of either vegetable oil or olive oil. And I only had olive oil, so I just used this stuff here. And then you need 1 tablespoon of mild dish soap. Once you've stirred everything really well, you will add it to a quart of water and 2 teaspoons of the concentrate. So my spray bottle is 500 milliliters, and that's roughly 17 ounces. So what I will do is fill this almost to the top with water and add 1 teaspoon of the concentrate. So yeah, once you have the concentrate in your spray bottle and you filled it with water, give it a good shake, and then spray both sides of the infected leaf on the plant. So be sure to apply the solution either in the morning or late afternoon or on a cloudy day. So instead of going to the store and buying a $6 or $8 bottle of insect spray, just try this. You've got 2 ingredients in your kitchen, and all you need is a spray bottle, and you're good to go.